It's mid-October and you're squinting at the porch, trying to remember whether you already own that skeleton or just thought hard about buying one last year. The Halloween Decoration Planner ends that little annual mystery. It's one connected workbook that plans the whole haunt, and because you own it, it gets a little better every single year. Inside are 7 connected tabs, not a lone checklist. A setup control panel, a decoration plan, a permanent inventory, a shopping list, a week-by-week countdown and timeline, and a dashboard that pulls it all together. 3 PDF guides and printable checklists come along too. The decoration plan is the heart of it. 1 row per decoration, where it goes, what it costs, when it's due, and whether it's up yet. It totals your spending against your budget and counts down the days to Halloween, with no formulas for you to write. Then there's the tab that pays for itself. The decoration inventory is a permanent catalog of what you already own, where it's stored, and its condition. So the question, did I already buy that, finally has an answer in a cell, and it carries over, year after year. The shopping list gathers everything you still need, grouped by store and sorted by priority. It totals what's still to get against what you've already bought. So 1 trip to the Halloween store or 1 online order covers the whole season. And the dashboard shows the whole season at a glance. Budget used, decorations by status, shopping progress, and days to go, all drawn as bar meters that redraw themselves as you fill the other tabs in. There's nothing here to build. Prefer Google Sheets? Just click the link in your download and choose Make a Copy. The whole workbook lands in your Google Drive, every drop-down, formula, and color already set up. No importing, nothing to rebuild. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice alike. A blank spreadsheet is free, but you'd build all of this from scratch. A planning app is overkill for one night a year. This planner sits in between. The thinking is already done, and it's yours to keep. Plan the haunt, own it every year. It's an Ardent Workshop product.